Hey everyone, welcome to the It's a Bling Thing collaboration. And by now you've seen Tammy, Saskia, and Mark's premiere videos, and I hope you enjoyed them, and thank you for sticking around and checking out all the videos. So I only have a certain amount of time for my video, so really quick I just wanted to go over some of my pieces that I've done with primary elements. As It's a Bling Thing is all about primary elements today. So if you checked out my video yesterday, you would have seen these, and if you missed that video, it's just the one just before this video. Love, 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 love. So these were just some blooms blown out and then spun out. This one, I actually love this one. This is two paints and primary elements. It's got a coat of resin on it. This was the bloom recipe. This is pretty, I don't know, this is kind of inspired by Karen at Waterfall Acrylics, but I love this one. This is the Nebula Star in here. There'll be a video on this one soon. And then I have some Laguna Azul in here and some Tempted Tulip and whatnot, but just wanted to show you guys this one. Okay, so there's that, and then these are some Dutch pours that I was testing with using the USA Flood Floetrol. So I put Floetrol in my tube paints and my base paint so I can extend my paints. Well, more importantly, the base paint, because you use a lot of that. And I wanted to use my gel gloss primary element mix with the Floetrol so I could extend my paints further. So I did that, and I would say that's a success. This doesn't have any varnish or anything on it, so this will even pop more when I do varnish. Okay. And here's another one. So super excited that I can, if I'm doing a larger piece, a larger Dutch pour, I can use the Floetrol with the gel. I really like just mixing the pigments with the gel gloss and water for the Dutch pours. It's just, the results are stunning, and everything, it stabilizes everything, nothing moves. It's like once you blow it, that's it, it just stays there. I don't get any fractals, or it's just stunning. And when I use this mix with just paint and water, like two paints and water, and then primary elements and then the gel, I get really cool cells, and you'll see that in today's Dutch pour. But anyway, good to know. Larger pieces, I will definitely be using the Floetrol with tube paints and my primary elements with the gel. Easy. Don't put yourself in a box and just use one mix and whatnot, because reactions happen when you use different things. You get, you know, different lacing, different cells. It's all about experimenting and finding your mix that works for you. And I think I have found one that works for me. And what I'll do is I'll let you guys watch the Dutch pours. I've kind of sped them up a bit to fit them in this video, and then I will be right back at the end to show you the dry results of the pours that you're about to see. So again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the other side of these Dutch pours. Bye! Okay, so here we go with the finished pieces. They each have a coat of resin on them. I hope you guys like them. Thank you so much again for joining us in our video premieres. And I hope you guys had a lot of fun chatting with us in the live chat. Again, use my code EricaHughes120 if you're purchasing any of the primary elements in the States. And if you're looking for them in the UK or the EU, you can check out ericahughesart.com. And again, thanks for joining us, guys, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!